Today I'm reviewing this traffic advisor light bar. I really like this one because it is all one piece. Usually they have splits. This is a great product. You could put it on your side-by-side if you're doing dune running or off-roading, or also, if you run a towing company, security company, or whatever reasons you have, maybe volunteer firefighter, and you don't want a permanent solution to move from truck to truck. It comes with this light bar, this controller right here, which has a quick disconnect mount with a double-sided tape on the back. And you can just use it from this controller. It plugs into your regular 12-volt outlet and has a huge cord. It's going to be mounted in the front or back of your car. Here's the on-off switch on the 12-volt outlet. So, most trucks or cars have a 12-volt outlet in the back. You could run this controller all the way to the front. Look, there is plenty of cord. Comes with these 4 suction cups, these brackets which you install right here. And what I like is it also comes with an extra screw. Always nice when things come with extra hardware. Also comes with these little 3M adhesive discs, which are double-sided. If you want a more permanent solution than these suction cups, but I've tested these suction cups out and they hold great on their own. Here it is mounted in the back window of my camper shell. Only sticks out just a little bit. There's the thing there. This bracket is angled so you can move it around to make sure you want it pointed a little up or down. I have this if we go off-roading. I like to have this if we're going at night over in the dunes, etc. Yeah, these suction cups work really well, and because this isn't something I want to be driving around on the street, I can take it off when I'm on the road and just put it on when I go off-road in my Denali Quadra-Steer. Gonna go ahead and wait for nighttime to show you all the effects with the controller. All right, so I have these lights mounted in this back window. They're plugged in over here. Here is the control box, which I have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them on. You can see there's the strobe. You can show it says on this control box, and they got you can do all these different modes. That goes directional over to left. This mode to the right. Just solid, which is nice. Flashing back and forth and off. So tons of different ways you can program these. Turn it back on. And super useful if you need it. I like that it's all one piece. Has this nice controller with this mount that you can mount anywhere and easily remove. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.